Getting started with Easy Texting's iOS mobile app. We make it easy for you to stay connected, even when you're on the go. Just set up an account with us at easytexting.com and download our Easy Texting app from the App Store. When you launch what we're sure will be your favorite new app, you'll be prompted to enter your email or username, along with your password. When you log in, you'll be brought straight to your inbox, where you'll see all your unread messages at the top in bold. Looking for a message from a specific contact? No problem. Just swipe down, tap, and then type your contact's name. To mark items as read, either swipe right or click it to view the full text and respond. There's so much you can do with our iOS mobile app, like adding images, trackable links, custom templates, personalizing messages, and even schedule messages for the future. Of course, you can also simply review incoming texts, compose notifications on the go, sort through older messages, and much more. Want to compose a new message? Tap the plus icon in your inbox. If you have a 10-digit text-enabled phone number, the app allows you to toggle between the number or a 6-digit short code. Click the drop-down menu at the top of your screen, right here, next to New Chat. Make your selection, enter your designated contact, and begin writing away. Just like composing an email, when you've finished, you simply hit Send. To view previously delivered messages, tap the drop-down and check the Sent column. Here, you can review and check date and timestamps. Access the delivery report by tapping on a message and then by tapping View Report. Easy Texting also offers MMS options like image and video, and the ability to add contacts right on the app. Let us show you how. For image, video, GIFs, audio, and trackable URL links, just be sure you're on your 6-digit code, and then click the appropriate icon. It's that easy. Easy Texting also offers custom templates for the iOS app. Once you've created them on the main website, you'll find them all stored here. To add contacts, tap the icon on the bottom menu. Select the plus symbol in the top right, and then click on Create New Contact. Enter in any required information for your new contact. At the bottom of the page, you also have the option to add your contact to a group. When you're all finished, click on Save. Congrats! You've now officially started using the Easy Texting mobile app. If you have any questions at all, please check out our help docs found on our website or listed in the description below. And make sure to subscribe to Easy Texting's YouTube channel to get more helpful videos.